totally kick your butt.
Good thing we got that out here, not on tonight's show.
I'm just gonna pray that I don't trip down the stairs. If I could just do that.
It's sometimes, hey, you know what? Sometimes it's fun. Sometimes I trip on purpose.
No, okay, let's not talk about that. Let's
You
not
watch.
put it in the universe.
Check it out tonight, America. I'm gonna trip her. Can you imagine that? Like dancing that.
That's not funny, Derek. It's not funny. Definitely have to do the.
Boom.
That's when we'll collect
That's
ourselves.
day one. That the first day we met. That was kind of our thing.
Yeah.
That's right. When they go da 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 da. Boom. Watch out for it. For the first costume, definitely is gonna match the music and the kind of the style of the dance. So we went for a very simplistic but stunning outfit.
Yeah.
I mean, she's stunning enough. We don't really need to do too much crazy stuff. Honestly, I think a great first score is 3 7s. I personally believe that because I think it's not low and it's not high. It's somewhere, it sits right there where you have this room to grow and to kind of, you know, get better, and especially for a first week dance. So I would be very happy with that. Higher than that would be great. She's Mrs. Like, you know, I want 13s. No, I'm just kidding.
Do they have 13s? No. When I perform in front of live audiences, it's what gives me energy. I'm terrified about tonight because my voice is my connection to the audience, and I've never done anything like this. And I tell Derek in rehearsals, I'm like, sometimes I'm on and sometimes I'm off. I don't know when it's gonna happen. But you know what? We have such a good partnership. He's like the best teacher, and he's just there for me. So sometimes when I just feel a little uncertain about moves and stuff, he's always there to catch me.
She feels comfortable singing. That's how she connects with the audience. Yeah. So I told her, I said, like, you know, if she messes up, something goes wrong, just hit a mean note.
That's what I'm gonna do.
Just like, oh! That just came out of my voice, by the way. She pretended like she was singing, but that actually came out of my.
Do it again.